For today, guys, we are gonna try and replace this wiper switch. As you can see, it's kind of loose already. It's still working, but doesn't really look good, so I have the replacement here. This one is not really brand new, it's kind of used, but it looks brand new. Got this one from Facebook Marketplace for I think 20 bucks, $25 US dollars. So we're gonna try replace it, and we need the Phillips screw and then a flathead. But first we need Phillips screwdriver. We need to remove 2 bolts. Can you hold this? Okay. First up over here. Yeah, this is gonna be hard, man. You may want to check if the bolts are like stripped, but I don't know. Here we go. Okay, there you go. So let me see if I can capture all this on the video. Go, she's out. 1 bolt down. Just gonna put them over there, and then another one over here. That's okay. This is much harder to remove. I don't know why. Maybe this bolt is like stripped. Yeah. I think there's a problem with the bolt. Gonna have to figure this out, how to remove this. Give me a sec. Okay, finally the bolt is out. It's kind of stripped. I don't know why. Maybe it's too old. Okay, next thing that we need to do is the plastics. So how to you need to go slow on this or be very careful. So I think what we need to do, I've been practicing this for like several minutes now. Use your index finger and then thumb finger over here, then just press this. There you go. Remember, index finger to pull and then thumb finger to press the top plastic, and then the left side. Okie doke. Same thing. Use the index finger, the lower part, and then thumb finger over here, press it, then another thumb finger at the top. There you go. Slowly, and then she's out. Bottom plastic is out. Let's put it at the back. Top plastic is still here. You just have to pull it out slowly. There you go. Okay, and next thing we need to do, there are 2 little suckers over here, Phillips screws. So we just need to remove them. The other one. Okay, just gonna put them over there. Alrighty. It's now removed. So next thing we need to use is the flathead screwdriver to pry this out. There you go. She's out. Pull this out, and then there's a can you go over here? There's like a lock plastic. What's this? It's like a plastic socket. Just have to pull this out. There you go. Okay, so here's how it looks like with the old wiper switch. This is the old one, and then the new one. They are quite similar, or 100% similar. So to install them back, just do everything in reverse. By the way, this white plastic over here, it doesn't have anything, so that's okay. Just plug this socket over here and then insert the wiper switch. There you go. Wait till you hear it clicks, and then we're gonna use this small Phillips screws. Just install it like so. All right. This will be a long video. Okay. We are almost done. And then install back the plastic. Go with the top one first, or much better, don't install it right away. If you wanna try it out first. So let's go, and we're gonna try it out. She's working. It's kind of slow, but that's okay. At least she's working. Now once everything is working, you can install back the plastic. To install them, just simply slide them, do everything in reverse. And for the lower plastic, just make sure that there's like a sliding lock over here. Just make sure you insert it as well as on the left, but that's okay. Insert it slowly. Oops. You know the drill. I think you don't really need to watch the guide over here with the plastics, but there you go. Once you secure it, make sure you secure the other end. There you go. And then just do the bolts. I'm gonna show you how to install back the bolts. I'm pretty sure that's quite elementary or basic, but I had a problem with this one. It's kind of stripped, so I'm gonna try to look for other bolt. That's all I can show you guys. By the way, my steering wheel is quick release, so it's much easier. But if you don't have a quick release steering wheel, that's okay. You could just follow the steps. I hope that helped you. If not, then consult an expert on how to install the windshield wiper lever or switch. Adios. That's all for now, and thank you for my kiddo for helping me shoot the video.